Well, it's another windy day in Zone 6B, and this is a chance for me to show you what I was talking about. What you see here is ash. Some gardeners use just the ash. But now, the process of making charcoal, or what they call biochar, is when you have a burn within a burn. So these containers here, I added wood to. And when the fire was over, there it is. This is what you get. This is the biochar. This is the charcoal. This is what I'm really after. I'll use this too, but this is what I really wanted. Whatever you burn stays intact. It keeps the same shape. Give you a closer look at it. So this is exactly what I'd hope would happen. Now I'm going to use this also, like I said, and you just break this up and sprinkle around in your garden. You put it near the top, well, some people use it as topsoil. I'm going to put it near the top. I'll put a light coating of soil over it and water it to keep it in place. So this worked out really well. I'm really happy with what I have here. So basically that's it. Before I did this, I made sure that it rained the day before, so the grass is wet to help reduce the chances of fire. I did not do this alone. I made sure I had someone with me in case there was a fire, in case it got out of control. I had water nearby, and pretty much had to stay out here for a few hours because I wanted to make sure that the fire was out. So that's it. There is a lot more to this if you want to get into the whole, chemistry of it all, which I don't want to do. I find a lot of people get bored by that. So the bottom line is that you burn this, it works, and we'll see how this works out in the garden. So thank you for watching this special edition. Maybe you'll give this a try. This winter, this will go into my winter greenhouse, my endless summer, and we'll see what effect or how this will enhance my leafy greens this winter. This is the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe, please tell your friends, and catch you next time. Have a great day.